Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Blockchain Raccoon, keeping you updated with the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. Hope y'all are having a good day here. And I just got back from the chiropractor, man. Oh my god, let me tell you. He cracked me in so many different places and just, oh my god. Apparently my hip was a little bit out of place, and apparently I had a rib that was like just not set right, and got all that set right. Let me tell you what, dude, fantastic. But nonetheless, man, go see a chiropractor. Oh my god, let me tell you what, you will feel so much better. All right, folks, now let's get into this market news here because man, we are seeing oh my god, it's looking like Bitcoin is refraining from making new highs as Tuesday's gap fills has killed the uptrend. Ethereum is outpacing its peers, but barely hitting new all-time highs. Oh my god. And XRP price is it's looking like people are not getting that, are not piling into it here, man. But the market's gonna go. I mean, we have people like Michael Vandepop telling his 513,000 Twitter followers that he believes Bitcoin will top out at 350,000 to $450,000 when the current market cycle ends. Don't know when that would be, but that would be fantastic. So, I mean, according to that, we're not done. I mean, that would be great. But the Bitcoin bull rally, looking like it's got stopped in its tracks this week because Bitcoin price did come under more pressure from the Omicron story and the resulting market turmoil. And Ethereum, let's see here, it came just shy of $16 from making a new record high, making gains in contrast to the other two majors, So XRP, and I saw investors buying the dip, and the uptrend hit a wall, and it got stopped in its tracks. Bunch of punks. Keep buying. I love it. All right. Well, we can look here that Bitcoin price is on the back foot. Slow down. Good God. Because Bitcoin price, it did pop higher at the beginning of the week, and shrugging off investors' concerns about the new COVID variant. Now, on Monday, Bitcoin price opened up much higher than where it closed on Sunday, forming a gap in the chart. As a general rule, gaps get filled sooner rather than later. And this was the case on Monday, when the bulls saw this earlier gains lost as Bitcoin price retraced to fill the gap. Now, the bears have seized the opportunity to defend a new monthly pivot for December at 59,586. Which coincides with the start of a Fibonacci retracement. Evidence of this weakening can be found in the relative strength index, dipping back below 50, showing that bullish demand is starting to wane. As a result of current market uncertainty, expect potential investors to stay on the sidelines. Now, although the red descending trend line has been broken a little bit, it still holds importance, and investors will probably only step in following a massive breakout above it. Now, this will be helped perhaps by the breaking news about vaccine effectiveness against the new strain. Here we go. Either that or investors will sit on their hands and wait for another bounce off 53,350. Now, should that level fail to hold, however, there is more bad news. I know. Just shoot the raccoon, right? We could possibly expect a quick 6% drop towards the 50,000 psychological level and previous historical support. At that level, bulls will likely mount a defense against a further downturn. So, I mean, we're going to get there. The market's going to play out. This is kind of fun to read and get updated about all this stuff here, folks. I mean, it would be fantastic. I mean, is 77,000 going to be the top? We're on track to these things. All these little retracements and, consolidation phases and pullbacks. It all happens. It's all healthy in the market. You all know that. Alright, so let's take a look at Ethereum because that's looking kind of fantastic. Alright, looking at Ethereum. And like I said, Ethereum price outpaces its peers, and we could actually see a new high by the end of this week. That'd be fantastic. Because like I said, even on the Daily Hodl article here, I'll put the link in the description below. You can read it. You know, Michael Vanderpope. Sorry, I said Vanderpop before. My bad. Now he is saying that he sees Ethereum landing in the 10,000 to 17,500 range, and there are some other guys out there saying we could even see a $20,000 Ethereum. That would just be awesome here. And if you hold any dot, I got a little bit. I got some chain link. And he says those could reach approximately anywhere from $200 to $350. Ugh, that'd be fantastic. Now, in his article, he also states that Cardano will reach $10 to $20 region. Zilliqa is being a punk, man. It's at 8 cents. I mean, oh my god. I was buying Zilliqa. I started buying that last year, or, well, at the beginning of the year, actually. About 9 cents, and I bought up into the 15, 16 cent range thinking, you know, this thing was going to go. And it's just been a pump. And hopefully, like he says, if it winds up in the $5 to $7 range, that would just be fantastic. But it's just waiting to see what's going to happen with that because, a punk. Alright, but let's get into Ethereum here because we got a little off track there. Like I said, that link to the Daily Hodl article will be in the description below if you want to read it there. Now, Ethereum price, unlike Bitcoin and XRP, we saw the bulls run a tight and steep rally from 4,000 towards 4,936 in just 5 days. Now, that was in a troubled market facing considerable headwinds. Now, with that said, the bulls now need to keep a tight stop on the current Ethereum price action in order for a bull trap not to form. Now, after the pullback on profit taking that occurred in the wake of a price barely hitting all-time highs, ETH quickly reversed from its highs on Wednesday and tested the December pivot at 4,481. Like I said, that is just $16 above the historical technical level marked on the chart from November 12th. This is a level of great importance and will be very interesting to see if bulls can maintain price action above it. Now, perhaps it could be helped by a possible bounce off the red top line that has so far been successfully capping the price action to the upside. Now, the red descending trend line, on the other hand, should support a break below 4,465. But if the bulls flee the scene, expect a bull trap to form and price to run a little bit lower. Now, the first support tested in that decline is the historical double top at 4,060, with the monthly S1 support level at 4,000, just below there. Now, the correction could already hold 18% of accrued losses from the highs of Wednesday, which would attract investors interested in the buying opportunity at those levels. So, you know, saying goes, buy the dip. When you dip, we dip. I love it, man. Alright, now, let's go take a look at XRP. Alright, I'm moving on to XRP. Man, XRP price sees the bulls rejected at $1.05, pushing the price back towards the 88 cents area. Oh my god. Now, XRP price saw sparks fly and a nice little uptrend on Wednesday. But then we hit a bump in the road after, we hit the $1.05 level, which held firmly, following 2 failed tests to the upside. Now, this rejection that squeezed prices to the downside on Tuesday probably washed out quite a lot of investors and technical traders. And this caused a lack of momentum and drive in XRP price action to tackle the $1.05 resistance level. Now, as the price fades further to the downside today, we can probably expect current market uncertainty to weigh further on XRP and see a possible test of the short-term double bottom at 88 cents. Ugh. Now, on a retest of that double bottom, a break looks more than likely, as the level holds no historical or other significance. that would hand bears the opportunity to push the price down towards, 84 cents for the third test of support at that level. Or a breakthrough and a run down to 80 cents, which is a prominent figure in the level of the monthly S1 pivot support level, combined with the historical significant support level at 78 cents, originating from June 8th. Now, this would provide a perfect zone for a fade-in trade for XRP traders, folks. So, who knows? We'll have to see how this all plays out in the market. Because like I said before, every time, there's two ways to go, up or down. I know we're eventually going to go up, but it's just kind of fun watching the markets and kind of understanding what's happening and not just sitting here biting your fingernails going, oh my God, we're market's falling, we're never going to do anything. But you know what? Hold fast. I just can't wait to the time where we can see like a $10, $17, $20 XRP. Because that would just be phenomenal. But sitting here waiting, let's happen. Let's hit the $2 mark first, and then I'll be happy, because that will propel us to go higher. Especially when we get back up to the all-time high. Oh my God, we should blast off then. So let's see what happens here. Well, folks, I'm going to wrap up this short little video by stating that I am not a financial advisor. I am a little raccoon making YouTube videos about cryptocurrencies. Thanks for tuning in.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.